Hi folks, let's draw a scary, spooky Halloween bat today. Grab your paper and pens, let's go. So you start by drawing a big half circle curved line really in the middle of the page. Like that. And then you draw a line down on the left side like that. And then a curved line coming off of that line for the bottom of his wing. And then you do the same thing on the other side. Line down, and then another curved line coming off of that line, just like on the other side. Then you make another curvy line, like that. And you do the same thing on the other side. These are the leathery bottom parts of the bat wings. And you make the bat body. And the two little bat legs. Like that. Gonna color this bat in black so all those rough edges will go away. Gonna smooth out some of these lines, make them a little more curved, a little more sharp. Make these bat wings a little longer. Since it's all going to be colored in black, we can do this. We can fix these mistakes right now. Make it longer like that. Extend the sharp part of the wing. I know that looks rough, but once it's colored in, you won't be able to tell. The beauty of art. Do the same thing on the other side. I just didn't like the way those short wings looked. Now they look more bat-like. Now we'll draw the bat head. Big curved line for his cheek, up to his cat-like ears, his or her, or they. Do the same thing on the other side. Another ear, cat-like ear, top of the head. And you make little triangles inside those ears for the inside of the ear parts. Like this. And we'll work on the bat mouth. Kind of draw a little curved rectangle on top of that line down there. Give him some sharp fangs, him or her, or they. Big large eyes, two ovals for large eyes, and then two more circles inside those ovals. And then one more little circle for the white part of the pupils. Probably not the most correct bat eyes in the world, but that's okay. Representation. And now let's color the bat in.
Something strange in the neighborhood. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. Something weird and it don't look good. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. I ain't afraid no ghost. I ain't afraid no ghost. See a thing running through your head. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. An invisible man sleeping in your bed. Oh, who you gonna call? Not afraid of no ghost. What? Not afraid of no ghost. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. If you're all alone, pick up the phone. Call Ghostbusters. I ain't afraid of no ghost. Afraid of no ghost. Ghostbusters. If you had a ghost, baby, a freaky ghost, baby, you better call Ghostbusters. Ghostbusters, do your door. Let's do this once more. Ghostbusters. 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 Ghostbusters.